Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your display name on Roblox using a PC or laptop. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do is open up a new browser and come to roblox.com. And from here, you'll see my current display name. My username on Roblox is this one, so Digital Tutor YT123. So that's what we're going to be changing today. So to actually change this, what you want to do is come to the top right hand corner, and you'll see a little gear icon like this, which is the settings icon. All you need to do is go and give that a click, and then come down and click onto settings. So from here, you've actually got your account info, and you'll see there's two options. You've got your display name and username. So they're both set to the same at the moment. As I say, in this example, we'll be changing our display name. So what we're going to do is actually click this little pen icon just to the right of our display name option. And to check it's the right one, if you hover over, what's going to happen is going to come up with a little box, and that will say change display name. So just go and give that a click, and you'll see there's a note just to bear in mind that your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So make sure you do change it to something you want, because you will have to wait 7 days before you can change it again. So I'm just going to change it in this example to something like Digital YT. And then I'm going to hit the save button down here. You can see that's now changed to Digital YT. Obviously my username is still the same. And you'll see that's taken effect, because if I now click onto this menu and then go down and click onto home, you will see my display name is showing as Digital YT. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.